Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice, aka Breathing Magic. On this channel, we talk about self-development, spirituality, and magical endeavors. Today we're going to unbox a Harry Potter Steelbook collection. This parcel just arrived, and without further ado, let's open it up. And why do it the Muggle way when you can do it the wizard way? If you know the spell, say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Aloha Mora! Ta-da! So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. This is a Harry Potter 4K Ultra HD Plus Blu-ray 8-film Steelbook collection. It comes with this metal display case. As you can see, there's a paper belt thingy wrapped around it right now. This is the front side. Let me turn this around. This is what it has on the back. There's a brief description of the story and a list of everything included in this collection. Now I'm going to remove this paper belt. This is what it looks like without the paperback. Each steelbook has their own slot because there's this foam divider in the display case. Each one has the title of the movie and they're all in different colors. The designs on the left side and the right side are exactly the same. It's just the basic Hogwarts crest in this floral-ish frame. This is the artwork on the top, and this is what it looks like on the back. Now let's take a closer look at the artwork of each individual steelbook and see what they have inside. This is movie number 1, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. On the front, there's the sorting hat, and this is the back. It's the scene where Professor McGonagall puts the sorting hat on Harry's head. Inside this steelbook, there are 3 discs. This is the Harry Potter Magical Movie Mode. Let me take this out. This is the 4K Ultra HD disc. And the final one is the Blu-ray. This is the artwork inside. It's the day Harry received his Hogwarts acceptance letter. The second movie is Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. On the front, there's the door to the Chamber of Secrets. And this is the artwork on the back. It's a scene where Harry is inside the Chamber of Secrets looking completely lost. Inside the steelbook, there are 2 discs this time. 4K Ultra HD and Blu-ray. This is the artwork inside. The third movie is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. On the front, this I believe is Sirius Black's prisoner plate. And on the back, here's Sirius, looking like he's saying, seriously? Let's take a look inside. 2 discs, 4K Ultra HD and the Blu-ray. And for some reason, Ron looks kind of blonde here. And this is the artwork inside. It's Harry riding Buckbeak. Movie number 4 is Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. This is the Triwizard Cup. And here's the back. I think Dumbledore is saying, Harry, did you put your name in the cup or not? And let's take a look inside. The 4K Ultra HD, like always, and the Blu-ray. I'm not a fan of this artwork because I feel like it's kind of lazy. It's just a screenshot. And I feel like they could have chosen the scene with the mermaid egg. I think that scene is more visually appealing. And for some reason, I've been singing that mermaid song non-stop for days now. You know the song that goes like, "Come seek us where our voices sound. We cannot sing above the ground. An hour you will have to walk to recover what we took." The sixth movie is Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. This is an image of a bunch of vials. They contain memories obtained from different wizards and witches. And this is Harry looking down at a pensieve. Inside we have 2 discs, the 4K Ultra HD and the Blu-ray. And here's Dumbledore checking out the memory vials. Movies 7 and 8 are both adaptations of the final book in this series, Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. This is part 1 and this is part 2. On part 1, there's Salazar Slytherin's locket. And this is the symbol of the Deathly Hallows and the Elder Wand. And here's the back, the Golden Trio. And here we have the final battle scene between Voldemort and Harry Potter. Now let's take a look inside. This is Severus Snape, the bravest wizard Harry Potter has ever known. Always. Now let's check out what's inside part 2. This is a profile of Snake Man. And this is Voldemort and his glorious Abracadabra! This is what the whole collection looks like when you place the steelbooks side by side. And here's a shot of the other side. All in all, I really like the design on the front and back of each steelbook, but I'm really not a fan of the screenshots inside. I feel like this is a missed opportunity. They could have done something much more magical. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, remember to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And answer this question in the comments below. Are you playing Hogwarts Legacy? If you are, what's your favorite part about this game? And if you don't have this game, do you plan on getting it? I'm still waiting for the Nintendo Switch version to come out. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Until then, live from your heart and be the magic you wish to see in this world. Bye!